Hi everyone. Looks like it's time for me to come in here and clean things up. But the reason why we are here today is because I need to pick the cherry tomatoes. We have lots of them. I really need to get a better camera. You can see my little dwarf tomatoes are growing. Lots of Auntie Molly cherries coming up. You can see that. There's one. Cucumbers are still coming in. And we have bees in the house. So I'm not doing a lot of hand pollinating anymore because we have lots of bees. The tomatoes are doing a little better. Oh, and the ladybugs. I really cannot see them too well during the day, but they're in here and they're doing a good job. I still have issues, but not as bad as before we got the ladybugs in here. So like I said, I'm in here today because I need to do some harvesting. We have lots of the cherry tomatoes. And earlier I harvested some parsley. And I'm going to dry the parsley. Alright. So I'll finish harvesting the rest of the cherry tomatoes and I'll be right back. Alright, so that's our cherry harvest for the day. And I want to show you how my Valencias are doing, if I can get in here. Right there. And then I have this two really big tomatoes. Those two right there. Right there. It's a mess in here. And you can see my nasturtiums are doing well. We have the pepper right there, and it looks like that's the only pepper I have so far. And then I have the giant crimsons right there, and in the back you can see the Robesons. I actually have quite a number of Robesons. Right there. Right there. Right there. We have lots of them. Oh, that one's stuck right there. I guess I'll just let it keep growing there. All right. And at some point I need to do a video showing all the cherries that I have growing in my green stock. And I also have a new style of cucumbers coming in. You can see that right there. Looks like I'm going to have lots of those. And those are called, let's see, something potato. Alright, found the name. Those are called little potato cucumbers. Okay, and my melons are still coming up. I'm not sure that one's going to make it. Okay. There. And there's the... Yeah, we'll talk about what's going on there later. And that's it for today. Bye, Tinnies.